YouTube channel. I am Coach Charlene, and in this video I want to talk about YouTube a little bit. Okay, if you are deciding to create a YouTube channel, you need to just start one and take action. You just feel like you have the urge, but you're afraid. The only way to overcome that is you're just going to have to just create a YouTube channel and start making videos. Whatever what you want to talk about, just go ahead and start one. When you get started, don't quit. It takes time to build a YouTube channel. And I have 2 channels that are actually monetized, and I work really hard. I try to put my 100% best making a video every day. Now, when I first started, I had a drive to get 30 videos up, and within a month. Took a lot of my time, but I'm kind of happy for where I am right now, because my channel is now growing. I drive organic traffic to my channel too as well, and try to get my channel out there so more people to see my channel. If you don't drive any traffic, it's going to be a long time for you to get people to see and to get views from people and to get subscribers. It takes a long time for you to grow your channel, and it's really up to you. Actually, it's up to you how fast you want to grow your channel. It's up to you how many videos you're going to make. But if you are interested in growing a huge channel, you have to make videos every day. You can't make videos like 1 week I'm going to make a video, and then I'm going to wait 2 weeks later I'll make another video. And that is a no, don't do that. Okay, you want to be persistent, uploading videos every day. Now, if you watch all the successful YouTubers, especially those are just giving out masses of videos, those people are very persistent. They're consistent, making videos every day. And videos are not easy to make. You have to know what you're going to talk about. Sometimes you run out what to say, and so when you do, just hop on YouTube, start watching other people's channel with the same niche you have. Start taking notes, get some books to read, prepare yourself just like you would teach a subject at school, or you're going to do a Bible study somewhere. I mean, you have to do the same thing. You have to invest in your knowledge to actually make good content. And sometimes, be yourself, be authentic. Like this video, I'm being myself, so I'm learning every day. I'm taking one step at a time, and I'm keeping my mindset motivated. I don't let myself down. I keep my vibration high, with full of energy. Keep every area in your life a balance, okay? And get some exercise, because that's good for your health too as well. Now, I didn't know what to talk about in this video, but I wanted to talk to those that are wanting to start a YouTube channel, but they are actually afraid to start one. The only thing you can do to overcome that is you're just going to have to create a YouTube channel. And then try your best to upload an original video of yourself. And if you're afraid to make an original video, try to start making videos, things that you enjoy, that you have a passion for. If you have a passion of sharing something that you love doing, it should not be hard for you to create a video, because you want to actually share and teach other people. And if it's into cooking, of course, just start making a video and video you cooking something, cutting vegetables, making a meal, a budget meal. People are interested in learning, watching, and they want to know more about cooking. They want to know the ingredients, the spices that you put into your cooking. And you don't have to actually show your face if you're doing cooking, but you can talk, right? And practice talking to yourself first before you prepare yourself making a video. Download on your smartphone a video recorder and start recording yourself, because you need to talk and you need to hear what you say, and you need to get to know how you sound like. You gotta know you. You gotta know your personality. You gotta know how to build your confidence. And this is the way building your confidence is by recording yourself. Actually, when I first started, I did not know how to talk because I was always shy. So I started just talking everywhere. When I'm going to the beach, I would talk about what I'm going through. So I get to know actually who I am, how I sound like, and see if people understand me. At first, I didn't understand myself. So when I didn't understand myself, I did not have the confidence. So now this video, it's just me. I'm just talking naturally, and I'm not creating content. I just want to share from my heart what I do and how I try my best every day, living a positive, high vibration. You want to keep a high vibration full of positive thinking, and you want to not receive thoughts that are negative. And you can catch yourself when you say something negative, because if you know something's not going right, that means you're thinking something in your thoughts that is actually not allowing you to be motivated. When you know you feel like you're not yourself, then you need to center yourself, get into meditation, and start actually saying positive affirmations, or get a video talking about affirmations that are positive, because something is blocking your mind to receive negative thoughts, and that's going to stop you from ever getting ahead and being more powerful, okay, being more bold. Have the power and the boldness, and you will know when your confidence is up, and you will know when your confidence is down. So this video, I just wanted to share just how important it is to work on your self-image. And if you want to start a YouTube channel, you need to start working on that and try to find the niche that's really important that you want to talk about, and watching other people with the same niche and see how they create their channel. But don't copy their channel, just be you. Make it in your own words, and then you will be just fine. Now, I got 2 channels that are monetized, and I'm happy. I'm working day by day, and I have been really busy. Actually, I can share it with you. I've been making amigurumi animals for my craft shows, and I've been uploading videos on my other channel. So I needed to upload something on this channel, but this is my personal brand channel, and thank you for stopping by. But I'm going to reverse the camera and just share with you what I've been making. And if you want to check out my crochet channel, there's a link to my other channel in this channel, Mindset for Success. So you can go on over there. I just uploaded a video about elephants, and so let me share it with you. Let me reverse the camera. Okay, I'm at my desk area. Okay, so this is the pink elephant that I've made yesterday. I made actually the 2. So they're really cute. And then these right here are parts of another elephant that I just made these. So I gotta make, and they're the same. They're the pieces. These are the legs, and this is a really cute, it's gonna be a really cute elephant. So for one, I'm working on 2 elephants at the same time, so this is for 1 elephant. I've got the tail, I got the legs, and then I've got the ears. And then I have to make the head and the body. So that's 1 elephant here. The elephant here is the ears here. I got the tail. And then I got to work on the, actually, I got to make 4 more of these. And then I will do the head and the body. So it starts from down here and it works its way up. So that's the head and the body. It's all in one piece, okay, and that's actually how it looks. So you actually want to see me sew one together, you can go to my crochet channel. And anybody interested in wanting an animal from me, go ahead and message me. Sometimes I upload on my Etsy shop, but if you want custom order, I can do custom order. All you have to do is just contact me. And I have other things I have been making. My sleeping fox. I'm going to share it with you, my sleeping fox. Let me reverse the camera. Okay, this is my sleeping fox. So I'm going to make more of these for the craft show coming up this month. And he's actually sleeping. And this one, I made him for... That's my sleeping fox. And then I got 2 other ones here that are going to be selling. Alright, and I've got right here I have Yoda. So I have 2 Yodas already made. So, and then I've got over here I have, let me take this off my stand. Okay, and I have to finish my Hulk, so I haven't put the eyes yet and the hair, but these are Hulks, so I'm gonna probably do that today. And then this in this bag I have a mermaid here, ready to sell for a customer. It's a customer's order I have to finish, but I do a lot of things, okay, not just crochet. I actually do, I like to color, I like to do color paint. And guess what, I actually bought this at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to share it with you. Okay, this is a paint set. And guess what, how much? $1.49. So, I'm going to make a video on me painting this, okay? And I'm actually going to frame it. I think it's so... I love the blue bird, so I'm going to get that started on it. But first, let me get this done with my elephants. So everyone, my passion is I like to share my success story with my mindset. I learned a lot from my mentor, who is Wesley Virgin. Okay, I mentioned him on my channel description because he's the one that has helped me with my mindset, and he's helped me come out of my shyness. And I really am so grateful for him because he's helped me overcome a lot of things that I wouldn't be able to do all what I have been doing with my channels, getting monetized and being persistent with my videos if it wasn't for him. He's the one that has helped me build my confidence. His courses are great. And if you want to get started with getting your mindset right and becoming that successful leader, entrepreneur, anything you want to be in life, Wesley Virgin is actually has a fantastic course that you need to get and purchase, and that is the Genie Script. Genie Script is a meditation course, but he talks about how to know what you want to manifest in your life, make your dreams possible. he can actually share all that to you. All right, and I know exactly what I want. I want to retire early. I want this channel, I want that to be a supplemental income for me. But I am working less, and I want my offline business with my crafts. I want to do that more often with as a vendor when I retire, with my YouTube channel becoming successful. If you love my channel, go ahead, smash that like button, leave a comment. A lot of people are coming to my channel and really enjoying my channels, especially my crochet channel. I guess people find it interesting what people make and create. And then I'm trying to get more better content on this channel, and as you can check out my playlist, there's about ebooks. I love writing ebooks, I like selling ebooks, and I have a bunch of ebook stores everywhere. And then I have a section playlist about YouTube. I have a section about me and my family and my kids right now. And what else do I have? Just check out my uploads, and that's about it. So I hope you all get motivated, okay? Start your YouTube channel. Don't be afraid. Don't ask so many questions. I mean, you can ask how many questions, how to start a channel. You know, you get all these advice, but you got to take action, okay? Your action is important. Just create a YouTube channel. And if you don't know what to talk about you. You know, put your name, you know, and represent you, and upload videos that you want to talk about. Okay, and that's about it for now. But thank you for stopping by at my YouTube channel. Read my channel description if you're brand new. And to all my returning subscribers, I'm grateful that you have come back, and you keep coming back, because I always upload different types of videos. I appreciate you supporting my channel. Anyway, get back later. I am going to upload another video. I just wanted to give you some updates, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.